Hello. Today we're going to take a look at percentile rank. Now, percentile rank is a way to compare a score or your score to everyone else's score. This is a way to describe how well you did or how tall you are or how fast you are compared to everyone else. Now, percentile rank is not the same thing as percent score. Those are different things. So let's take a look. Here I have a list of a bunch of people and their heights. Now, in order to calculate percentile rank, we need to know something about them. Let's say that we're trying to calculate the percentile rank of David's height here. Now, in order to figure out David's height, I already know it's 5'11", but I want to know how his score compares to everyone else. Is David particularly tall or is David particularly short? Well, if all I know is his height, I don't know that. What I need is the rest of the scores to compare this to. So in order to calculate percentile rank, I have a formula here. The formula is B divided by N times 100. So B is the number of scores below, in this case, David's score. So in other words, how many people are shorter than David? So if I look at this, well, David is 5'11", which means that 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 people are shorter than David. So we would say there are 6 scores below David's. Now, if I say how many scores are there in total, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, there are 9 scores in total here, so I have 6 divided by 9. Now, 6 divided by 9 times 100 works out to 66.67 or 666 repeating. However, percentile rank needs to be to the nearest whole number. So this is going to work out to P67. That's how we write percentile rank. Now, 67, or if you prefer, 67th percentile, means that David is taller than 67% of people in this group. So David is taller than 67%. On the flip side, David is shorter than 33% of people in this group. Now, the way that I figured that out, I took 100 minus 67 equals 33%. So percentile rank says how many people or what percentage of people did you do better than, or are taller than, or are faster than. So in this case, David is taller than 67%, shorter than 33%. Okay? So if you got a high percentile rank, that's good. That means you did better than that percent of people. A low percentile rank is bad. It means you did worse than that. However, percentile rank is not the same thing as percent score. For example, it's possible that you could get 100% on the test and still be the worst mark in the class. Maybe everyone else got bonus marks and got 102. It's also possible that you could get, say, 10% on the test and be the best mark in class, because we don't know how everyone else did. So percentile rank and percent score are not the same thing, and we cannot even compare them at all. So percentile rank here is a way to compare scores. One last thing to note is that if you have a percentile rank of 50, that is actually your median. So from a previous video on central tendency, PR 50, or your percentile rank of 50, means that you are exactly in the middle. Half of people have scores better than yours and half of scores have worse than yours. So have a great day.